Alright guys, so parts start coming in for the Lexus GS300 manual swap. I just got called from DX Delivery, so I'm thinking it's the gearbox which is coming. I did get the GS653DZ JGO and about to receive it. Okay, and here's the gearbox. It's sitting in back of my van. I need to unbox it. Let's have a look if we did get good one. Right, the gearbox is out. I have it marked all over the place to make sure people don't change parts for them. But what is my concern, because that gearbox was upside down, and it lost a bunch of oil in the box. So I think it did come from this bleeder. Yeah, it did come from this bleeder. Oh, we'll see about that, but we'll need to top it up probably. The shifter seems to be right. If I put it in neutral, it doesn't have any lean gear or something. Did get the subframe with it. It's got some weird mounts there. It's got the cylinder slave. But do you think it's got like a rattle noise? So if I spin it in one go, it doesn't make any noise. But if I do like this, I don't know if it sounds healthy. Right guys, I was really worried if that gearbox is okay, so I took it to mechanic who actually does work on BMWs, and he is familiar with these ZF gearboxes, and he told me that the gearbox is absolutely fine. It does have a very slight play in input shaft, but he said he wouldn't be worried at all. It does look low mileage, and basically he confirmed what I was thinking. Those gearboxes are bulletproof, and if down the road I need to change the input shaft bearing, well, then I will just do it. But hey, the first part for the GS300 manual swap is here, and the train is going. So guys, stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.